All right, we got this one chip challenge going on. An oldie but a goodie. Aunt Charlotte's gonna give it a try here. Let's see what's up. She's glutton for punishment, I feel.
I'm probably gonna die.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. 25 calories though, that's a good thing.
I don't want to die.
Oh,
yes.
oh my gosh.
What is it?
I'm sure a lot of you have seen this, but look. It's got all kinds of warnings. Oh boy, I might. Oh, I think I'm starting to sweat already. Okay.
I chocolate mix.
I gotta open this carefully. I don't think I have to eat the whole chip.
Oh, yes, you do. The whole fucking chip.
What?
Yeah, the whole thing. Isn't that the deal?
Yep.
That's what I think the deal
Oh my god.
is. Was it nasty?
Wait, no, I've never seen them before, the chip, but I feel like it was a different color. Is this moldy?
That looks like death.
That looks like me in a few minutes.
It's now done. It's real done.
I think we should
You wanna
kill
bite
it,
it,
whatever it is. No. No, what is
Oh, I
it?
want to die.
All right,
It's
should
like
I
Halloween.
just take a bite?
Of course.
Okay.
Motherfucker. And what you get her a glass of milk, pour it for her. She's gonna need it.
Okay.
She
Yeah, hold on.
She gonna
Let
need
me add
it.
them. I might be starting to. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Or that's a hot flash. One or the other. I don't know.
It's a milk too.
Eat the dang chip.
Don't be pushy. Pushy. I gotta have milk. Okay, wait. All right. So what should we do?
Take a bite. Just
Just
take a
gotta
big
eat
old
it.
bite. Be funny.
You just gotta munch it all at once.
All of it, Gene.
Yep, all
Yeah,
that
that's the
Come
rule.
on, I've never seen anybody do the whole thing.
Yeah,
Because-
yeah,
because
that's
they're
what they all do. They eat the whole damn thing.
Leave a little
They just
crumb
munch,
for
munch,
Dad.
munch, munch, munch. I thought.
Oh my god, I'm
And
getting
plus, you know,
sweating right here already. Oh god.
this is extreme shit.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna try not to drink that. Okay. I'm gonna take one big bite. Okay, is that fair?
No,
I'm old, you know.
eat it all. Well, you wanted to.
I know it's my
You're crazy.
idea. It's not my nephew's. I'm kind of like, but I will blame him.
Oh,
You
we're
want
gonna eat
to
it.
eat
All right, here I go. Bye.
Bye.
Another bite. One more bite left.
No,
Just
I
munch the
want to try it.
She's already in trouble. You're already in trouble.
Oh my god.
Are you serious?
Oh, that's tastes good. I can't take a giant bite.
I can't swallow.
What's your lips doing?
I don't
Oh
know.
my
It turns
God.
your tongue and lips
Oh my
blue.
god. Oh Jesus.
Number one tongue takeover. It just colors you.
Look at her.
I want to bite.
No, Violet.
I want to bite.
No, it'll kill you.
It's gonna kill you.
I will not eat more of that.
Have a little taste.
Mm.
Rule for the challenge. Eat the entire chip.
Oh fuck my life.
Where you going?
Done.
What do you mean you're
Take
done?
Take a test.
Just got started there.
Mickey wants to try it.
Oh Jesus, Coke and I've done it. Been there.
I don't.
Crazy person.
I'll find Coke in
Nice
there.
T-shirt.
It's a little cop.
What are you double fisting a Coca-Cola and a milk? Your belly loves you.
No, let me look at it.
I'm gonna die.
People
It's getting
eat
serious now. Look at her.
whole chip. Wait.
Shit's getting serious.
Oh, whole chip.
Oh my.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't.
Violet, no, not right now.
Is he that
She's in
dog?
trouble.
No, no.
That's the
She's in trouble. Oh my god, your tongue's blue. That don't even make any sense.
That's it. It's
Oh my god.
That's
Who the fuck?
no.
Oh, son of a
My
bitch.
heart's palpitating.
Yeah, everything's gonna be doing something. All right, I can't allow you to do what you're doing.
You're gonna have to, because I'm gonna die.
We're just concentrating on the milk.
Look at me.
Yeah, I would worry about the
I'm
milk.
gonna die dying.
The milk tastes like shit.
That's a hell of a thing for you to say.
I don't want to die.
We don't really know.
I don't know who the fuck idea this was.
She's gonna wish
Yours.
she did. Right. Just want to sit on the toilet now, or Your German actually doing pretty good. I think you robbed us. You should have ate the whole damn thing.
I think you need.
No way.
Yeah, why don't you try?
I can't talk. It's that bad.
Really? Silly.
That's the end of my challenge because I will not eat no more of that.
You have to wash your hands
I
after.
don't recommend this to anybody.
Dad.
I should have took notes when I watched everybody else do it. I thought for sure
They
they
still
were full.
sell these things? It's crazy.
I thought for sure
Can I
they were
freeze
full of
it?
shit. I'm not kidding you. It's bad. I'm crying.
Yeah, but you're not as bad as I see these chunks. But I think they eat the whole damn thing.
Is this how bad your mouth
Mhm.
is?
Mhm.
Like
What are you
literally
doing?
on fire.
No, Mike.
I don't know. I think you handled it pretty good.
I think I'm an idiot. Gene is killing me. I can't be tough for very much longer.
Not starting to die.
As long as the camera's rolling, she's gonna be tough.
But I have to shut that bitch off.
No way. You wanted it, and now you got it.
I'm an idiot. Tell me again. Tell me.
You only laugh